vročica, pa če jo lahko probate. Bi on te posnel. Vse probajte jo. Pač bom ti povedal, kakšnega okusa je, kakšna je razlika med našo pa...
Very stark.
Okay, let's taste Estonian mustard.
To je pa like hrn in Slovenija.
Nothing.
It's very hot.
It's strong.
What is similar in Slovenija?
Yeah, in Slovenia we said this food hren.
Ready. More, yeah.
More.
Very good.
Is it spicy?
Yep.
It's like a mix with ren.
More.
Nice, like...